Hey, what's up everyone? Jonny Roven here, personal injury attorney. I'm so glad that you're going to check out this video. But first, I just want to tell you about my new text messaging platform. I'm now available by text. I'm building up a whole text messaging community. Just text me 818-639-3997. You can text me anything about personal injury. We're pretty much available all the time. Just try it out. Even test it, okay? 818-639-3997. All right, enjoy. Hi, everyone. Jonny Roven here, personal injury attorney, Los Angeles. Today, I want to talk about when it's a good idea to get a second opinion from a different attorney. So there's many times where, people will call me saying, my attorney, they won't pick up their phone, they won't call me back, what's going on here? I think that's like the highest complaint of attorneys, is not picking up phone calls, not returning phone calls. If your attorney is not calling you back within a reasonable amount of time, a few days latest, it might be time to think about talking to someone else. You, as the individual, state of California, you have the right to fire your attorney anytime, no questions asked. You can fire your attorney. There are repercussions, though, to firing an attorney. For example, first, the obvious one is that you're going to be on your own unless you have another attorney to replace that attorney. So you will be finagling the legal procedure within a lawsuit, and unless you have some kind of formal legal training or practical training, this is probably going to be a very, very difficult thing to do. Another thing that you might want to take into consideration when firing an attorney is that the attorney may be able to place a lien on your case. So what's a lien? A lien is something, it's a kind of like a contract that gets placed against your case so that when monies come in, they can be paid first out of it. So attorneys can have a cost lien. So for example, let's say that they fronted, $500 filing fee, $2,000 for this expert or this deposition, several thousand for, investigation, copying. They can place a lien against the case for that amount for cost, and also they can have an attorney's fees lien. So in your fee agreement, you might have signed something that allows for the attorney, in case of them being fired, to place an attorney's fees lien. So they'll be able to get compensated for the amount of time that they put into the case. So let's say an attorney put 100 hours into a case and you decide to fire them. It wouldn't really be equitable or fair for the attorney to just not get paid anything from the case. Especially after all that work. So you may have signed in your fee agreement a lien for attorney's fees as well. And they also, even without it, it's questionable as to whether they would be entitled to an attorney's fees lien. Anyway, it's a risk of firing an attorney. But that being said, if you're not confident in your attorney, or if your attorney is disrespectful, or just not returning phone calls, or just not responsive, or you don't feel like they're doing a good job on your case, then that is the time to consider firing the attorney and getting a new one. Certainly, if it's early on in the case and they haven't really been doing much, and you just don't hear from them, those are red flags that might not be the best fit for you. There's a lot of attorneys out there. You are certainly within your right to get rid of your attorney if that is what you want to do, and you can hire a different attorney that would be better suited for you. So I hope that was informative. I hope it's helpful. Let me know of other videos that you want me to make, and have a good one. Thanks.